Hey everyone, welcome back to Godwills Talent Hub. This is Satish, and today we are diving into something that's everywhere in math: multiples. And trust me, once you understand this, multiplication tables, LCM, and even those tricky word problems, they will become so much easier. So let's jump right in. Before we start, a quick question for everyone. Can you tell me three multiples of 5? If you said 5, 10, and 15, you are absolutely right. But do you know why they are multiples? That's exactly what we are exploring today. And by the end of this video, you will be a multiples master. Multiples are numbers that keep repeating in a pattern. Think of them as a number's best friends. They show up again and again. Alright, so what exactly is a multiple? A multiple of a number is what you get when you multiply that number by any whole number, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Here is what makes multiples super cool. First, you can find them using repeated addition. Just keep adding the same number. And the second one, every number has infinite multiples. Yes, they go on forever. Third one, the first multiple, that's usually the number itself. And finally, we use multiples in skip counting, finding LCM and learning our multiplication tables. Pretty awesome, right? Let me show you an example with everyone's favorite number to multiply 5. To find the multiples of 5, we simply multiply 5 by each whole number. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. And it keeps going on. Look at the beautiful pattern. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Notice how each number increases by 5. That's the pattern of multiples. Now let's see this pattern with the number 3. 3 times 1 equals to 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. Do you see it? Each multiple is exactly 3 more than the previous one. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. The difference is always 3. This pattern makes it super easy to find the next multiple. Just add 3 to it. Now here is where it gets really interesting. There are 2 ways to find multiples. Number 1, it is multiplication. The first method is straightforward multiplication. For multiples of 4, 4 times 1, it's 4. 4 times 2, it's 8. 4 times 3, it's 12. 4 times 4, it's 16. And it goes on. But here is the cool part. You can also use the repeated addition. And this is our second method to find the multiples. Start with 4, then keep adding 4 to the answer. So start with 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. And 16 plus 4 is 20. Both methods give you the same answer. Use whichever one feels easier to you. Alright, let's practice with trickier number, that is 7. Here are the first 10 multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63 and 70. Did you notice the pattern? Each one goes up by 7. If you know your 7 times table, you already know the multiples of 7. They are the same thing. Now let's level up. What if we want to find multiples that 2 numbers share? These are called common multiples. Let's list the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and goes on, right? And now let's list the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 and goes on. See the numbers that appear in both the lists: 12, 24, 36, 48. These are the common multiples. And the smallest common multiple is 12, which is called the least common multiple or LCM. This is super useful for adding fractions and solving all kinds of math problems. Okay, time out. Let's clear up some confusion. A lot of students mix up factors and multiples, but they are actually opposites. Factors divide into the number, they are limited, they are smaller than or equal to the number, and it's found by division. And multiples are divisible by the number, are unlimited, and they are larger than or equal to the number, and these are found with the help of multiplication. For example, with the number 12, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Only 6 factors. But whereas when it comes to multiples of 12, there are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and it goes on forever. There is no end for this because multiples are infinite and factors are limited. See the difference? Factors divide in and the multiples multiply out. Before we wrap up, let me share 6 powerful properties of multiples that will make you sound like a math genius. Every number is a multiple of itself. 5 is a multiple of 5. Every number is a multiple of 1 because any number times 1 equals to that number. Multiples are always greater than or equal to the original number. And every number has infinite multiples. They never stop. 0 is a multiple of every number because 0 times anything equals to 0. And all even numbers are multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Remember these and you will ace any multiples question. Alright, let's bring it all home. Multiples are the result of multiplication. They are infinite in number. You can find them by repeated addition or multiplication. They are always greater than or equal to the original number. Super useful for skip counting. And where do we use these multiples? Finding LCM for fractions, learning multiplication tables, solving word problems, recognizing the patterns, scheduling and calendars like every 3 days, every 5 hours, etc. Think about it. If a bus comes every 15 minutes, those are multiples of 15. It's the real world math. And there you have it, everyone. Multiples explained, simplified and mastered. If this video helped you understand multiples better, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Godwills Talent Hub and hit that notification bell so you never miss our math videos. Drop a comment below and tell me what's your favorite multiple. Mine is 10 because it's so easy to work with. Practice those multiplication tables and I'll see you in the next video where we will tackle factors. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, math is fun. This is Satish from Godwills Talent Hub signing off. See you next time. Bye.